The secret revealed. This is how you make the most tender meat of your life. Here we have 1 kilo of pork. I'll make a cut down the center, place it in a bowl, add ice cubes, water, cover with plastic wrap, and let it sit for 20 minutes. After that, I'll take the meat out and place it on the table. Now, I'll season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and spread it all over the meat. I'll place the meat in a baking dish and use wine glasses to keep it open. The result is absolutely perfect. In a pan with oil, I'll add 1 sliced onion, 200 grams of chopped champignons mushrooms, 1 red bell pepper in strips, and sauté. Now I'll add 1 carrot cut into thin strips and mix with the other ingredients. Next, I'll add 2 crushed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix. I'll transfer everything to a bowl. Tell me your favorite meat recipe. I'd love to hear it. Add 3/4 of a cup of cottage cheese and mix. We'll fill the meat with this mixture. Then add 100 grams of shredded mozzarella and remove the glasses. Wrap 200 grams of sliced bacon around the meat. In a bowl, I'll 500 grams of chopped potatoes, hot water, cover, and let sit for 20 minutes. After that, I'll drain, place in a bowl, add olive oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and mix. I'll place the potatoes in the baking dish next to the meat. Then bake at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, in a pan, I'll add 1 tablespoon of pepper sauce, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and stir until it boils. Finally, brush the sauce over the meat. Return to the oven at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 more minutes. And before I forget, tell me what city you're watching from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Angela Brooks from Cape Town, South Africa. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. This recipe turns out incredibly delicious. Make it at home and let me know what you think. I'm sure you'll love it.